Hey guys, how are you? Today I'm in North Coast and I thought I could teach you some vocabulary about the beach and the sea and the vacation in general. So number one, I have itchy feet. Itchy feet. Itchy feet. في ناس قالت لي وطي شوية يعني هدي شوية الفيديوهات. itchy feet معناها ان انا كان نفسي جدا جدا ان انا اسافر. فلما احس ان انا نفسي اسافر قوي فاقول I got itchy feet. I got itchy feet. That's number one. Number two, at the crack of dawn. Like me today. زي النهارده كده. At the crack of dawn يعني ان انا ابتدي اليوم من اوله خالص. من بعد الفجر على طول. فبنسمي ده at the crack of dawn. At the crack of dawn. And لما تصحى بدري بنقول عليها bright and early. Bright and early. So if I wake up really early, I say I'm up bright and early. I'm up bright and early. Okay. Today I just woke up at the crack of dawn, bright and early, and I hit the road. Hit the road يعني تبتدي تمشي في الطريق. Like like now. دلوقتي أنا نزلت من البيت وراح على البحر. I'm hitting the beach أو I'm hitting the road. برضو ممكن تتقال لو أنت مسافر ممكن تقول I will hit the road. يعني أنا ركبت الطريق. Live it up. Live it up يعني تعيش حياتك، تستمتع بيها. فبنقول عليها live it up. Live it up. Live it up. Live it up. دي بتبقى عاملة زي الهمزة شوية زي ما كانوا في فيديو البرونسيشن قبل كده. أنا كحد بشرته حساسة جدا I'm always afraid to catch the sun. catch the sun يعني الشمس تحرقك تبقى وشك ريد كده. فطبعا we all don't want that. catch the sun. Catch the sun. Okay, what else do we got here? I just want you to see the prettiest house I have ever seen in the North Coast so far. It's like a dream house to me. I just love it so much.